Okay, if you'd like to find the remainder to a polynomial, very quick, very simple, then this example is for you. We're going to be using the remainder theorem to do a couple of exercises in how to find the remainder. Now, the first example is we have a polynomial on the top, x to the fourth minus 5x cubed plus 3x squared plus 8 divided by x minus 2. That's the divisor. We're going to use the remainder theorem. This is how it works. It's purely a process of substitution, and it can come up with the remainder very quickly, very simple, and it's a lot better than using the long-winded long division method. So what I'm going to do is write out the polynomial from the top there. So that's going to be px is equal to x to the fourth minus 5x cubed plus 3x squared plus 8. Now all we have to do is substitute the divisor, which is x minus 2, and that transforms into x minus 2 becomes a positive 2. So if you get a minus there, you substitute the value of 2 into that polynomial. So let's do that. So that equals x to the fourth. What's x again? It's going to be 2. And then we have a minus 5x. So minus 5, and the x there is 2 again, to the power of 3, plus 3x squared, we put in the value of 2 there, plus 8. Okay, let's start to simplify this as we find the remainder. That's our outcome. So this equals 2 to the power of 4th. That's going to give us a value of 16. Take away 5 times 2 to the power 3 is 8. So let's put an 8 in there. Plus 3 times 2 squared. 2 squared is 4. 3 fours are 12. Plus 8. Let's start to simplify this. We have 16 minus 40. 5 times 8 is 40. 12 plus 8 is 20 plus 20. Okay, that equals 16 minus 40 plus 20 is going to be minus 20. Therefore, the remainder, r equals 16 minus 20. That's going to give us a negative value. So the answer is the remainder equals negative 4. You could also write it down as P2. 2 is equal to negative 4. Which refers to the divisor. Let's do another example so we can gain even more clarity into the remainder theorem. Okay, the other example we have, as I unveil it, on the top polynomial, we have 3x to the fourth minus x squared plus 2x plus 6, divided by the divisor, x plus 1. Let's see how we do this example. So let me just write out the polynomial. Px equals 3x to the fourth minus x to the 2 plus 2x plus 6. Let's substitute here. We have x plus 1. Therefore, if it's x plus 1, we're going to substitute negative 1 in there. Negative 1 right there. So that equals 3 x to the fourth. What's x again? Negative 1. Okay, minus x squared. Minus x squared, and that's negative 1 in there again. Plus 2 times x, which is negative 1 in there again. Plus 6. Let's further simplify this. So that equals negative 1 to the power 4th is just 1. So 3 times 1 is 3. So we'll have a 3 there. Negative 1 squared is just positive 1, so it's minus 1, because we have a minus there, so it's minus 1. And here 2 times negative 1 is negative 2, and bring down the 6 plus 6. Let's simplify this. So we have 3 minus 1 minus 2, that's like 3 minus 3, that's 0. So we're left with a value of 6. So P negative 1 equals 6, which clearly also means the same as before, remainder equals 6. And as you can see, it's a very quick and simple method to come up with the remainder to any polynomial. And there you go.